Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can reveal the Yolo anonymous names that sent you messages. So I'm gonna show you some anonymous messages that were sent to me. It's very simple. Just open up your web browser and go in Yolo reveal.top. You can see this is the website where I can reveal the usernames. And first you have to type in your Snapchat usernames. Press connect. I want Snapchat usernames on so I can see their usernames. And then I can hit reveal now. And now it is done, so once it's done I'm gonna have to do security verification. So I'm going to go ahead and press verify now. To complete the process you need to install 2 of these apps and keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps, start it up, and when you do this, you need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. And we have successfully completed the security verification on both apps. Now those anonymous names are revealed. I can actually see the usernames of the people who sent me these messages thinking they was anonymous. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just remember to follow all the instructions.